Hello and welcome. Today we are working on Hit the Road Jack. This is a 4-chord song and it uses one strumming pattern. So what we're working on today is memorizing and when to land the switch so that we have this really cool feel to the song. So let's get started. We need A minor, G, F, and E7. So let's look at the strumming pattern. It's down, down, up, down, up. Our first two chords are A minor and G. So I'd like for you to play A minor on the down, down, and switch to G on the up, down, up. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up. Again, 2, ready, go. 3 more times, go. 2 more times, go. 1 more time, go. Okay, and now our next two chords, F and E7, have the same relationship. So F will get the down, down, and E7 will get the up, down, up. Let's do that 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, ready, go. 2 more times, go. 1 more time, go. So now let's look at the whole sequence. Let's try it. We'll do it 4 times. We're gonna loop it. Repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, A minor, go. 2 more times. Last time. Okay, so now I want to try it by memory real quick. We're just gonna try it 2 times by memory. So I'm going to remove everything from the screen in a second. So look at it real quick. Okay, now let's try it by memory. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 more time. Okay, this time look at it. Go ahead and look at it. We'll do it with reading. So go ahead and read through it. By the way, if you're like crouching over your ukulele, fix your posture, relax the shoulders, and try and face forward, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 3 more times. 2 more times. 1 more time. Okay, now we're going to do it by memory. Okay, you got it, Let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, memorize. Nice. You want to have this memorized just in case you kick anyone out. You can sing it to them right on the spot. By the way, I want to take a second to invite you to join us on Patreon. On Patreon, I do weekly video lessons. We use Zoom and we all turn on our cameras. And it's really fun to have a more like small, intimate classroom environment where we all turn on our cameras and I can see you playing and I can help you or answer any questions. It's just a lot better than here where this is great but I can't see you, so it helps a lot to be able to see the students and help fix things. So if you'd like to join us on Patreon, I'll have the link on the screen and down below. And on Patreon I also do a lot of printables, so if you like printable and PDF resources, check us out there. And today's lesson is dedicated to our gold Patreon member, Dobromir Georgiev. I hope I said that correctly. Thank you, Dobromir, for being a part of this community. A question that I get very often on this channel is, what ukulele do you recommend I should buy? And so if you ever want a recommendation, just look at the ukuleles that I'm playing in my videos. Today I am playing the all solid mahogany ukulele from Enya Music. The one that I'm playing is in tenor size. And of course it's all solid, it's mahogany, and it comes with pre-installed strap buttons, a gig bag, and a lot of accessories that are really useful if you don't have them yet, and it saves you money to buy it all in a bundle. If you're interested in this ukulele, I'll have it linked down below. Alrighty, well that concludes today's lesson. I hope that you had fun playing, and I hope that you will memorize it because you never know when you're gonna need it. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!